Okay, hi everyone. I'm going to explain to you how to get into your torch for your Olympics for math. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your homeroom class team, and once you've logged in, you're going to search for your name because you can only write in things that are under your name. If it's in welcome or content library, you cannot write in it. It's for viewing only. So you're going to go to your name, and then you're going to click under your name, you're going to click your very first unit. So if you're in 6th grade, it's unit 1. I think if you're in pre-algebra, it says unit 0. So you're going to click on unit 1, and then it should say untitled page. If you don't see anything there, you need to pull this screen down to refresh it. Okay, and when you refresh it, it should pop up. Then you should see unit 1 mapping, which we're going to ignore for right this second. That will be step-by-step what you're doing for unit 1, and then you'll see SCS Olympiad. So once you're in the Olympiad, you're going to see your torch for math. So I'm going to explain this to you. So for your math class, I'm going to show you in the browser. Okay, so for your math class, you were given this torch. So we are going to take the pre-test today, and your pre-test for math is going to be your score in your Microsoft Forms. I'll tell you what it is, and then you're going to put it right in here. Okay, so you'll write your pretest score. Then your IXL diagnostic, which you did over the past 2 days, that IXL diagnostic is going to produce a list of diagnostic scores and then a list of suggestions. So I'll let you know which 5 I want you to do. You must do those up to 100%. Okay, so I'll call you to the back table and I'll say to you, hey, you know what, you're going to be able to do these 5, and as you do them up to 100%, you color in your star, okay? Then you're going to get an account for Freckle and Prodigy next class, and so while you're doing Freckle and Prodigy, this is at home time, so it's not during class. If we work on it in class, it doesn't count towards your 45 minutes. So you need a total of 45 minutes, and then someone at home is going to use your stylus an initial for each week. Any questions about that? So you're going to say, hey mom, I'm going to play Prodigy for 45 minutes. Will you initial? And then she initials that she saw you play for 45 minutes. Okay? Or you can choose Freckle the next week. I don't care. All right? So either one. But diagnostic testing for Freckle and Prodigy doesn't count. You have to wait till you're done with the diagnostic test to be able to start counting your time. Martina, do you have a question?
Are we going to get into Freckle because I don't think we're logged in
Yes,
yet?
I'm going to put you in Freckle after we're done with our pretest. So we're going to kind of go in order. Pretest, once you get your pretest scores, I'll give you your diagnostic skills. Then after that, I'll give you your Freckle and Prodigy accounts so you can log in. Good question. Then you're going to take the post-test. The post-test is exactly the same as your pretest Microsoft Forms. It's the same test. The only difference is that this post-test score is actually going in the grade book as a summative grade, okay? Because for the next 2 weeks, all we're gonna do is review those summer IXLs, which you're testing when you take your Microsoft Forms Olympic pre-test and post-test. So you've already seen the test, we've studied for 2 weeks, and then you're gonna take it again. It goes in as a summative grade. To get number 4 colored in, your post-test score must be a higher score than your pre-test score. Okay, so you're going to take your pretest today. You'll see the Olympic, it says Olympic pretest for 6th grade math. So you're going to click on that. It's in the post tab. And if you're in a different grade level, for those of you viewing at home, it's still in your post tab. You're just going to look for the Olympic pretest and take that today. Any other questions? Okay, so go ahead, start your pretest. Good luck. Bye.